Am I dumb? That's what I was thinking 10 years ago. I was 23 years old, sitting at my first work benefits meeting. They were going over things like tax advantage accounts. They were saying, we offer a robust 403B plan with employer matching and an HSA with triple tax advantages. What? And everyone else is nodding along like they get it. Like, was I the only one growing up who didn't get the lecture of how to money? I mean, I did grow up low income and my parents didn't know this stuff either, let alone how to teach it to me. And then I learned something that scared me. Over half of people who retire have $0 in retirement accounts. Millions of seniors retire into poverty. No one is coming to save you. So I taught myself. And 4.5 years later, only making an average of $43,000 a year, I had $100,000 invested. If I never add another dollar, that turns into $1.5 million by the time I'm 65 years old. Let me show you how to do the same thing, even if you're starting from zero. And if you're new here, my name is Wahida. I'm an ex-wealth manager, and now I'm on your team. I went down a rabbit hole when I went home that day. YouTube, Reddit, finance blogs, certifications, everything. I did this so you don't have to. And here's what I learned after years of cutting through the noise, of cutting through scams and finance bros trying to sell me courses. If you invest over 20 years, there's nearly a 0% chance that you will lose your money. Investing long-term in a diversified mix of investments is safer than saving alone. You cannot save your way to wealth. You have to invest. So let me show you what that actually looks like in real numbers. $500 for 35 years, that becomes over $1 million. You put in $210,000, you get out over $1 million. That extra $800,000, that's your money making money. Compound interest. I know, math is crazy and also kind of fun. I know what you're thinking, Wahida. I don't have $500 a month. I can barely afford rent. I get it. I felt the same way. That's why I started investing with just $50. And that turned into $100,000. You don't need to start big. You just need to start. And look, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just saying your future self will thank you. Here's the truth. You're not bad with money. You just never were taught how money works. That's not your fault, but it is your responsibility now. The good news? You can start today with $50, with $20. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you start. And as you make more, invest more. Okay, so how do you actually start investing? Like if you were truly a beginner and had no idea what you're doing. Step 1, open a retirement account. If your job offers a 401k or a 403b with matching, start there. That match is your money. Do not pass up hundreds of dollars. Step 2, if you don't have an employer plan, open a Roth IRA. You can do this through Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab. Pick one. It takes 2 minutes. Step 3, pick a fund. Want it easy? Target date fund. Just pick the year you retire. Done. Want the lowest fees? Choose total market index funds and ETFs. You own a piece of thousands of companies at once. You're not picking individual stocks. You're not day trading. You're not turning into the Wolf of Wall Street. You're just putting your money in a fund and letting it sit. That's it. Boring is good here. Promise. Step 4, automate it. Set up automatic contributions so you don't have to think about it every pay period. That's it, seriously. I know this can feel overwhelming, especially if you're starting from scratch like I did. But I promise you, the hardest part is just starting. Have you started investing yet? Comment below. If you're not, what's holding you back? The step-by-step guide is linked in the description. All right, friends, go start investing, even if it's just $20. You won't regret it. All right, bye for now.